Hello everyone. Today we will start the exercise 7.11 of chapter 7 integral. In this exercise we will deal with the formulas 0 to a of fx dx. It is equal to 0 to a f of sum of the limits minus x into dx. Both the integrals are equal. If x will be replaced by sum of the limits minus x, then both the integrals are same. Second, if the function is from 0 to 2a, then it will become double of 0 to a of fx dx if function is even, and it will become 0 if function is odd function. What is the meaning of even and odd? You know very well. If you will put minus x instead of x, it will be equals to minus fx. Then we will say it is odd function, and if it is equals to fx, then we will say this is an even function. Here, next third formula, minus a to a. Same, it will become double if function is even, and it will become 0 if the function is odd function. Clear? So these are the basic formulas which we will apply in this exercise. Exercise 7.11. Let's start with the first question. First question, 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. Here we will apply the first property. This is I. Replace x by sum of the limits minus x dx. So it will become 0 to pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x, so it will become sin square x. Now add both first and second. Left hand side will become I plus I, 2i. We are adding first and second. Right hand side 0 to pi by 2. Integral, in the integral cos square x minus sin square x dx. Cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So integral will become 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. What is the integration of 1? Integration of 1 is x. 0 to pi by 2. Put the limits pi by 2 minus 0. So answer is pi by 2. But this is the value of 2i, but we need only I. So I is equals to pi by 4. Clear? This 2 will goes in denominator. Similarly, second question, we will apply the same concept, sum of the limits minus x. See, 0 to pi by 2, in numerator there is sin x, in denominator root of sin x plus root of cos x. So apply the same result. Let it equals to I. 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x, in the denominator sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x root dx. Now if you will add both first and second, what you will get? It will become, firstly sin x, it will become cos x, denominator is same. So complete is 1. So same. 1, integration of 1, same procedure you will follow in the second question. Clear? Next third question is again same. You have to apply the same result. Fourth is same. Next we will do fifth question, how to solve the integration of mod function. In fifth question, integration is from minus 5 to 5 and the mod x plus 2. First of all, you have to check at which value this modulus will become 0. At minus 2, if you will put minus 2 instead of x, you will get 0. It means to say from minus 5 to minus 2, your function will negative, and from minus 2 to 5, the function is positive. Because at minus 2, exactly minus 2, it is 0. So, less than minus 2, negative function. Greater than minus 2 is positive function. Now, integrate both sides. Minus as it is, x square by 2 plus 2x, limits minus 5 to minus 2. Similarly here, x square by 2 plus 2x, limits are minus 2 to 5. Now put the upper limit minus lower limit. Minus as it is, firstly put minus 2, minus 2 square upon 2, minus, then lower limit. Similarly here, firstly put upper limit, then lower limit. Now simplify it. Here is minus sign outside, minus 2 square 4, 4 upon 2 is 2, minus 4. Here minus 25 by 2, minus minus plus, so plus 10. Similarly solve here, 25 by 2 plus 10 minus 4 by 2 is 2, minus minus plus 4. Now see which similar term will be cancelled, or you can solve it simply. Minus as it is, 2 minus 4, minus 2 plus 10, 8. 8 minus 25 by 2. Similarly here 25 by 2, 10 minus 2, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Minus 8 plus 25 by 2 plus 25 by 2 plus 12. Minus 8 plus 12, 4, 25, so we will get 29 answer. Now in the mod function, firstly you have to check at which value the function will become 0. In this question at minus 2 it will become 0. So we will break the function, break the integral minus 5 to minus 2, minus 2 to 5. Same all the integral question of mod. Similarly, sixth question same as like this. Here integration is 2 to 8 and function is x minus 5. So x minus 5 will become 0 at x equals to 5. So function integral will break 2 to 5 plus 5 to 8. Here in this way solve sixth question. Next we will solve question number 7. In this question integration 0 to 1 x 1 minus x power n. Here if we will open the power, we have to apply the binomial, which is a very long process. So we will apply the result, sum of the limits minus x. 0 to 1, so x will be replaced by 1 minus x. Similarly here 1 minus x. On simplification, function will become 1 minus x, x raised to power n into dx. Now multiply it, n plus 1. Now direct integrate. X raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 minus n plus x raised to power n plus 2 upon n plus 2. Now put the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. Firstly put 1 upon n plus 1, 1 upon n plus 2, and then lower limit it will become 0. Now simplify it, n plus 1, n plus 2 is the LCM, n plus 2 minus n minus 1. So you will get 1 upon n plus 1, n plus 2. So this is your answer. Here we had applied the result, sum of the limits minus x. Next question number 8. Integration is 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10x. Here again we will apply the result sum of the limits minus x. This is I. So 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 10 pi by 4 plus x. Now apply the result here, tan a plus b. Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan. So what is the result? 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. This is the formula of tan pi by 4 plus x. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So I had written 1 here. Take the LCM. If you will take the LCM, 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x. This tan x term will be cancelled. So it will become 2 upon 1 minus tan x. Then we will apply the property of log. What is the property of log? Log of 2 minus division property 1 minus tan x dx. Clear? Here 1 minus tan x is, here see there is a minor mistake. Here you have to write sum of the limits minus x. So apply the formula of tan a minus b. It will be minus and here is plus. So it will become 2 upon 1 plus tan x. Clear? 0 to pi by 4. Now break the integral. Minus 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. Now this is equals to your initial function I. So we will replace it by I. Next, so left hand side I equals to 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 dx minus I will shift to left hand side, it will become 2I. Log 2 is constant, we can take it out, 1 dx. Now integrate x 0 to pi by 4 log 2 pi by 4. This is equals to 2I, so I will become pi by 8 log of 2. This is your answer. Clear? Next question number 9th and 10th, same as you have to apply the formula sum of the limit minus x in both the question. Next we will solve question number 11. In this question we will check either the function is even or odd because the limits are minus a to a, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. A is pi by 2. How we will check? Function is sin square x. So replace x by minus x. Sin square minus x. So sin of minus x is minus sin x. But there is a square. So it will become sin square x. Means to say this is a even function. If it is a even function, integral will become double of 0 to pi by 2 sin square x. Clear? So this is your integral. Next, integrate it. How you will integrate it? Either write down the formula. The formula of cos square x is 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. This 2 will cancel. Integration of 1 is x. Cos is sin 2x upon 2. 0 to pi by 2. Then put the limits. Pi by 2 minus sin 2 into pi by 2. If you will put lower limit 0, it will become 0. Again sin 0 is 0. So pi by 2 sin pi is 0. So answer is pi by 2. Clear? So firstly you have to check either this is a even function or odd function. Next, 12th question. See how to solve it. 12th question. See question number 12. First of all, apply sum of the limits minus x, same in the denominator, pi minus x. So it will become 0 to pi, pi minus x, 1 plus sin x, because sin pi minus x is same as sin x. Now add both first and second, left hand side 2i, right hand side 0 to pi, x plus pi minus x, only pi, 0 to pi, pi upon 1 plus sin x. So I is equals to, pi will take out, this 2 is in denominator, 0 to pi, 1 upon 1 plus sin x. Here note one step, how to take the integration of this. To take the integration, we will multiply it by 1 minus sin x and divide by 1 minus sin x. Here note this step, multiply by 1 minus sin x and divide by the same term. Now function will become 0 to pi, 1 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is the formula of cos square x. 1 minus sin x upon cos square x. Now separate the denominator, pi by 2, 0 to pi, 1 upon cos square x minus sin x upon cos square x. Now 1 upon cos square x is secant square x. So pi by 2 integration 0 to pi secant square x. So it will become sin x upon cos x is tan x. 1 upon cos x is secant x. Now take the integration. Integration of secant square x is tan x. And integration of this term is secant x. Now put the limits. Pi by 2. So tan pi minus secant pi minus tan 0 plus secant 0. Tan pi. What is the value of tan pi? Is 0. Secant pi is minus 1. Tan 0 0. Secant 0 is 1. So pi by 2 into 2. 2 will be cancelled. So answer is pi. Clear? So you have to note this step, multiply and divide by the same term to solve the integration. Clear? This is your 12th question. Now 13th question is same. You have to check either this is a even function or odd function. 14th again same. Next we will do question number 15. In 15th question we will apply the result sum of the limit minus x. So 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x minus cos pi by 2 minus x upon 1 plus sin pi by 2 minus x cos pi by 2 minus x. So function will become 0 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus cos x into sin x. Now we will add both the integrals first and second. 2i is equals to 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x plus cos x minus sin x upon denominator is same cos x sin x. So in numerator it will become 0, so the complete integral will be equals to 0. Clear? Next question number 16, log of 1 plus cos x. Here again you will apply the result sum of the limits minus x. Log of Next question number 17th and 18th. In 17th question, apply the rule sum of the limit minus x. It is a simple question. 18th is we know how to solve the integration of modulus function. Clear? Next we will solve question number 19. In 19th question, we have to prove 0 to a fx into gx dx is equals to double of 0 to a fx dx. Clear? How you will solve it? First we take the left hand side, apply the result sum of the limits minus x. This we have to prove. Start it here, prove. So here conditions are given. F of a minus x is equals to f of x. Now add both. So 2y is equals to 0 to a fx gx plus fx g of a minus x dx. Fx is common. So in the bracket gx plus g of a minus x. Here again second condition is given. G of x plus g of a minus x is equal to 4. So replace it by 4. 0 to a 4 of fx dx. This 4 take out. So integral will become 4 0 to a fx dx. Shift this 2 to left hand side in the denominator. So it will become double to the integration 0 to a fx dx. So this is your proof. Clear? Next there are MCQs 20 and 21st. Solve the integration. In the 20th question, apply the rule even function odd function, and in second sum of the limits minus x. Clear? Both the MCQs are very simple. Try to solve it. So this is your complete exercise 7.11. By this your chapter is completed. Hope you all understand the chapter integration. Thank you so much.